Different equipment should be selected based on one's own positioning. If one wants to make soft candies, a casting production line is generally chosen. If one wants to make hard candies or lollipops, a stamping production line or a casting production line is usually selected. Large-scale candy production requires high-end and efficient candy processing equipment and forming machines with a high degree of automation. For example, a nut candy casting production line has the functions of automatically adding nuts and supporting continuous production. The continuous casting production operation features can meet the large-scale and high-efficiency production demands of large enterprises. Sugar boiling machine. It is used to boil sugar and other raw materials into syrup and is a key equipment for making candies. The sugar boiling machine can precisely control the temperature and time to ensure the quality of the syrup. Forming machine pours the boiled syrup into the forming machine and make hard candies of various shapes and sizes according to different molds. The precision of the forming machine directly affects the appearance and quality of candies. Stamping forming machine.